Everyone wants to become Shib from their passions, such as their favorite coin, but even though it seems impossible, some people have succeeded in doing so. One person invested just $18,000 in Shib, and now it's worth an incredible $5.7 billion. Let's look at their cryptocurrency trading strategies and the stories behind them. Keep in mind, though, that this isn't the main story. People in Shiba whales, who own a lot of Shiba Inu tokens, have been selling large quantities of their stocks on a regular basis. They recently sent over $150,000 worth of Shib tokens, which are worth $22.3 billion. Finishing the process of depositing money into a specific cryptocurrency wallet is the first move, and for some reason, this wallet was used today even though it hadn't been since October 3 or 0. A lot of digital currency, a number of items, including 42 Bitcoin, 1.35 million US dollars, and 400,000 USD were discovered. One of the most recent actions it took was to add 11 billion Shib tokens to this wallet. This address then began sending the cryptocurrency tokens it had just received. It also performed the same thing today with its Shib stocks. The wallet containing the 11 billion Shiba Inu tokens had its address altered. Although this new wallet was created yesterday, it wasn't made available in several coin formats until 2 days ago. At the time this movie was made, no one knew why money was coming in and going out from this address. But these kinds of changes usually happened when markets rearrange their stock or when Shiba Inu token owners move their assets to cold wallets to store them for a long time. This address has already made a total of 6.505 million over 1,000 ETH, which is worth $1.76 million over 1.8 million USD, which is worth $1.8 million, and over 75,000 Shiba, which is worth over $175,000 at this time. Watch the remaining portions of the film. Large cryptocurrency users are giving and getting a lot of Shiba Inu coins. If you want to learn about Shiba Inus from billionaires, which is good for long-term keeping, there is a pattern that is being used more and more as an example. CryptBasic told people about a new email address that was collecting 4.5 trillion Shib tokens on October 6th. Another Shiba Inu raised 4.6 trillion Shib coins on October 11th. These big holders have kept taking their Shib tokens off of exchanges, which shows that they have changed their approach a lot, even though it's not clear what these whales are doing based on information from Aram Intelligence. Let's talk about our amazing story about the sheep who became billionaires in its early stages. The Shib community got a lot of attention as a major cryptocurrency asset. This funny coin helped a lot of people become millionaires or even billionaires. There is one account that stands out though, where an investment of $110,000 grew to an amazing $5.7 billion in just 14 months. This wallet made an amazing $7 million each time it was given back. We need to find out what made this person so crazy before we go any further. In August 2020, $88,000 was given to Shib, which was the start of this cool journey. At that point, the investor probably had no idea that this small buy would become a huge income source. More than 1,000% more Shib were there in October 2021 than in any other month. It's even more surprising that this boom only lasted 400 days. The financial world was shared by this unbeatable return on investment. Both experts and fans have called it the best single trade of all time. In any case, it's important to know that this person has been into crypto since 2011 and has made a lot of money from it. They were very clear that they didn't know anything secret about Shiba Inus. The investor was told that Shiba Inu could be used instead of Dogecoin. People who were early adopters of Bitcoin told this investor about Shiba Inu and said it was a good option to Dogecoin. Remember that Esther, the client, confirmed that they had not put any money into Doge. They had put $8,000 into the Shib market at the beginning, but the value of the investment went down and their partners chose to sell and take a loss. There was a lot of false information going around about them, but this person was good at making money with coins off to the side to keep their money safe. One of the main reasons they planned to keep spending was that they wanted to keep their tokens for a long time. They talked about how helpful the Bitcoin community is. The term FUD, which stands for fear, confusion, and doubt, describes the dissemination of misleading information about a cryptocurrency project or the market as a whole in an attempt to frighten and panic buyers. The primary objective of this type of activity is to lower the price of the target asset or market, so that those who disseminate it can obtain it at a reduced cost or gain an advantage over rivals. Fear-mongering can harm Bitcoin in a number of ways. Firstly, it might cause the price to drop sharply, which could cost buyers money if they sell soon after receiving the negative news. Secondly, it could cause individuals to lose faith in the cryptocurrency market, which would make it more difficult for them to make fresh investments. FUD is terrible because it can damage a cryptocurrency or blockchain project's reputation, making it more difficult for it to attract investors. The cryptocurrency market may also become less stable, trustworthy, and credible when false information about FUD spreads, which is bad for investors and the global community. Additionally, it can cause regulators to closely monitor unsubstantiated claims or false information, making it difficult for FUD to influence their decisions. FUD has appeared in Shiba multiple times, but fortunately its creator has prevented it from getting out of control. Long-term investment plans from partners or developers have typically produced excellent returns, but it doesn't guarantee they will in the future. For this reason, it is crucial for investors to conduct extensive research and base their judgments on sound logic. Long-term investors believe that these short-term fluctuations will eventually level out, but those who have held onto stocks, real estate, and cryptocurrencies for a long time have seen their values rise significantly over time. Despite the possibility of profit, it is important to keep in mind that both are highly unpredictable in the short term. In the case of the Bitcoin market, price changes can be significant and difficult to understand. Those who have the patience to endure market highs and lows may result in profits as the value of the asset increases. At this point, the only factors that matter are data and facts as well as your attitude toward short-term market fluctuations. Long-term investments spread risk, so some investments can offset losses from other investments. To make long-term investments successful, you must gain a thorough understanding of the assets you wish to hold onto for a long time, the group, the technology, and the fundamentals of the undertaking.